Euclid's division lemma. Given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a equal to bq plus r, where r is greater than equal to 0 and less than b. To understand this, let's take a very simple division. Say 7 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 1. So this 7 is dividend, this is divisor, this is quotient, and this is the remainder. So we all know that dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In fact, this is something which we are taught in lower classes to check whether our division process is correct or incorrect. Now let's compare with this statement. So this is your A, this is your B, this is Q, and this is R. So this Euclid's division lemma in reality is actually nothing new. This we have already learned in our previous classes. Only now we know that this division or this verification process we used to learn in our junior classes is called the division lemma. So we have A equal to BQ plus R. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And we know that the remainder can be 0 or it can be greater than 0. In this case, it is greater than 0. So the remainder can be greater than or equal to 0, but the remainder is always less than the divisor. The remainder always remain less than the divisor. So this is our Euclid's division lemma. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find the ACF of 135 and 225. Okay, so we will divide 225 by 135. So let me write the Euclid's division lemma first. Okay, 225 divided by 135, 135. So our quotient is 1 and the remainder is 90. So we'll write 225 is equal to 135 into 1 plus 90. So at this stage, this 90 will become the new divisor and 135 will become the dividend. So 90 into 1 is 90. Similarly, this 45 will become the new divisor. 45 into 2 is 90. 90 minus 90, remainder is 0. At this stage, we see that the remainder has become 0. The remainder is 0 when the divisor is 45. So we can say that the HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. Now let's find the ACF of 196 and 38,220. So 38,220 divided by 196. Let's try with 1. So the remainder is 186. We'll drop down the 2. Let's check with 9. (980). Let's try with 5. So the remainder is 0. So 38,220 is equal to 196, 100 into 195 plus 0. As the remainder has become 0 here, and at this point the divisor is 196. So we can conclude that the ACF of 196 and 38,220 is 196. Next question. Find the ACF of 867 and 255. So we'll divide 867 by 255. 867 divided by 255. Let's try with 3. 15, 16. So we'll have 867 equals to 255 into 3 plus 102. Now 102 is the divisor and 255 is the dividend. So this seems to be divisible by 2. 102 is equal to 255 is equal to 102 into 2 plus 51. And now 51 is the divisor and 102 is the dividend. So 51 into 2 is 102. 102 minus 102 gives 0. At this stage the divisor is 51, so the ACF of 867 and 255 will be 51.